Hi, welcome to Pictures, Noise and Words. I'm Hedgie, and this is QAALM. I'm assuming that's how you pronounce it. A song called Borderlands, and it's off this album, which is out November the 1st. November the 1st. So, what's that? That's like next week or something as you're watching this. Not as I'm recording it, but you know, hey ho. So, actually, as you're watching this, I'm on tour. I'm going to, where am I going? I'm going to Spain, France, and Italy. So while you're watching this, I'll be in one of those countries. Just, interested, but thought I'd let you know. In fact, yeah, that's a good point. So next week, there probably won't be any videos at all. There's probably going to be a little bit of a gap because I'm just not around. I'm on tour. Hey, go me. Anyway, that's not important right now. This is QAALM and a song called Borderlands. I'll start that one again. And it's off this album out on the 1st of November. I feel like I've gone back in time. And the album's called, I've got it written, it's written down here, Grave Impressions of an Unbroken Arc. How's that for an album title? Grave Impressions of an Unbroken Arc. So this came from YouTube dropping it in front of my face, basically. And I saw a little bit of it. I haven't seen much of it, but I saw a little bit of it and I thought, wow, that's heavy. That's heavy as a really heavy thing. And I don't think I've done really heavy stuff I don't feel like I've done heavy stuff for a while. So I'm not entirely sure what we're getting, but hey, this is literally why you should watch my channel. It's because none of us know what we should be getting. However, what I will say, like, strap yourself in, because this song is 12 minutes long, right? 12 minutes. You're getting value for money. So yeah, this is going to be an adventure. It's going to be either an adventure or an ordeal, depending on how you see it. From Los Angeles, apparently. First thing I'll say is that if your hobby requires you to stick 50 fly papers to the ceiling, you need a new hobby. Second thing I'll say is that was amazing. And I'm going to struggle to really get across how amazing I think that was. Who are these people? Am I going to have to like eat humble pie at some point because I didn't know who they were and they turn out to be like super famous people that I just did not twig? That was so good. Just so I'm buying this. I'm buying it. And I'm going to lie down in a dark room and listen to it. I have no idea who this is, right? No idea. QAALM, no, never heard of them. And then they come across with this 12-minute, utterly genius opus. By halfway through, I don't know, you can probably see it that I start off going like this, I'm guessing. I don't know exactly what I was doing, but probably by halfway through, I'm like, you can see I'm going, oh shit, this is a thing. And then and from then on I'm lost. The production is amazing on this. His drumming is so emotive and so what word shall I use? It's just his drumming's fantastic on it. That guy's voice. It's just like, yeah, we'll go over here and we'll go over here and then we'll really bring a load of feeling in and feeling in doesn't matter whether he was rah feeling or just, the much calmer sort of stuff. Really bloody amazing. But it sounded so good and so heavy. And you can shove your AI generated stuff right up the orifice of your choice because it's never going to do this. It's never going to do this, which is just raw emotion captured in musical form, which is basically what music is for, isn't it? Whatever the emotion it is, happy, sad, whatever, that's what music is for. And this is, yeah, good luck with that AI. I'm so fired up inside now about this. You think, because heavy stuff, it kind of sometimes calms you down, sort of half puts you to sleep almost, and in a good way. But this doesn't. This is just like heavy, but like it's heavy in the way that a big rock crushing you is heavy. It's like quite liked it, and it's fab. That was fab. That guy's drumming, I loved it, absolutely loved it. But along with the production that just made it so big. Did that. You know what? I don't really have enough words. I don't have the right words. My brain's still going. There's an argument here for me to pause this now, go away and think about it and come back. But I don't do that. Everything fit together so well. And that's the 12 minutes for me was like, I mean, it was a long song, but it didn't feel like 12 minutes. It's just so good. Oh God, I need better words. I need better words. The flow of the song, it never got disjointed. It never got boring. It moved from place to place and it took you with it seamlessly. That's what I mean. It's just so well done, so well produced, so well written, so well performed, so well everythinged that I'm like, who are these people? Who are these people? Am I missing something? I need to go and look up who these people are. I'm guessing it was the bass player's day off when they shot the video. Somebody will comment, oh, there's no bass player. Guarantee, but there is one in the credits. Chris Cuzzy, I'm sorry if that's not how you say your name, is the bass player. But yeah, he couldn't make it on the day they shot the video. Perhaps he was the one with the long fingernails doing voodoo stuff. Anyway, I've run out. I'm just going to go around in circles because I just I'm struggling with how good that was. That was amazing. I'm going to put that on the thumbnail. This is amazing. You're like total spoiler on the thumbnail. This is amazing, or something like that. Some of you, I know, are going to love this. You're going to love it. Let me know what you think. I'm a bit stunned. This is one of those fantastic moments when something almost pops out of thin air and it's brilliant. I had no idea. Like I say, it was that first 10-15 seconds where it's like heavy as a heavy thing, and I thought, oh yeah, this sounds good. You know, my ear kind of must have latched on to this sounds good. Like the production and everything, and it's heavy, and I haven't really done a lot heavy stuff, and yeah, literally I guess in 10-15 seconds it must have grabbed me, and I just went, yeah, bookmark it. My bookmarks are a weird place, to be honest. I don't know what half the stuff in it is anymore. It's like all this stuff in my bookmarks, some of them are like 6 months old now, and I don't know what it is at all. But then you get something like this, just falls in your lap and is amazing. Have I said that enough? I'll go now. I mean, fantastic job, QAALM. I'm sorry if you're super famous and I didn't know who you were, but you sound like you should be super famous. That's all I'm going to say, though. Obviously, the genre of music, you're probably not going to be... You know, Taylor Swift isn't going to be your support act any day soon. So, hey ho, it is where it is. This is music for people who care about what it is they're doing, basically. Let me know what you think. I'll get off now. It's long enough. I'll see you soon. Well, I don't know when I'll see you. Like I say, I'm going to be missing for a short time, but not very long, like a week or so. See you soon. Bye bye.